I'm Lee Hussell, I'm a company director and I've got very nearly 30 years of experience of selling new homes across the region. Webbers have a long and very successful tradition of selling new homes across the Devon, Cornwall and Somerset regions. We act for a wide range of different developers, from persons with single plots right through to the larger developers with multi-unit sites. We can help with all aspects, from conception of planning right the way through the planning process, through to pricing, marketing, reporting and of course the all-important delivery of those successful sales. Webbers act on a wide range of different development and land opportunities, from single plots right up to conversion and development of redundant agricultural and commercial buildings. We also look after much larger sites where there are tens of units or even hundreds of units on that site and can advise from the planning stage right the way through to pricing, marketing and of course the delivery of those successful sales. We have excellent systems that we continually use and update using the best of technology to ensure that we're delivering excellence for our customers. So with your development, we look at your marketing plan in a bespoke and individual way, and we want to target the right type of buyers to ensure you're achieving the best results and the best prices. We'll build a bespoke marketing plan for you, and that uses the very best of the traditional methods like the normal property portals, Rightmove, On the Market, webbers.co.uk. We also look at video viewings, we look at live open house events, physical open house events to ensure that we're attracting a large footfall of people to come and see your fantastic homes. At Webbers, we really like to embrace the latest technology to bring your development to life. We do that in a variety of different ways. We have aerial site guides which show how your site links together through the different phases. We've got 360-degree walkthrough tours which allows a buyer to track through your home and see the key USPs and the fantastic features and views that your property may have. So social media is a massive part of our strategy now for new homes, and it's something that we can use to really make your development go viral and reach thousands of people very, very quickly. We also use the very best of email marketing, and that will be specifically branded to your logo and to your development, and we can produce a range of invitations, for example, to fantastic events such as open houses or investor events that will really help to enhance and put your development in front of a wider audience. Up in London, we have a fantastic office on Park Lane, and it's a really big frontage there, and we've got permanent display space where we can show off your development to that lucrative London market. So no one can match our knowledge, our experience and our understanding of the new homes market. We have our 14 branches throughout the region who will all showcase your development. We can also provide show home staff as well and assist you with providing specialist accompanied viewings and events to really enhance the quality of what we do. We have a specialist new homes department in our head office in Barnstaple, and we're really well entrenched both locally, regionally and nationally with excellent connections throughout the UK to really help to push your development far and wide. Many of our staff have been with us a very, very long time, and of course that gives us a huge amount of collective experience. Most of the developments, certainly across North Devon and into Somerset and Cornwall, we've dealt with at some point, during our long and established existence. So all of our staff throughout our 14 branch network are talking to buyers and sellers throughout the day, and our aim is to ensure that our database is aware of your development and the homes that you're offering for sale. So our opportunities become your opportunities, and it's a great way to spread the net even further for you. So if you have land or a development opportunity that you're looking to sell, get in touch. Speak to any of our 14 branches throughout the Devon, Cornwall and Somerset regions, and we'd love to come and see you and assist the best way that we possibly can.